Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Persona 5X. First, familiarize yourself with the game's unique daily rhythm, balancing school life with your Phantom Thief duties. You'll spend your days attending classes, studying, and forging bonds, then dive into the metaverse at night. It's crucial to manage your time effectively to maximize your progress in both worlds. We'll cover how to make the most of each day to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Combat in Persona 5X is turn-based and strategic. Exploit enemy weaknesses to trigger one more attacks, allowing you to hit foes again or pass your turn for a powerful baton pass. In the Velvet Room, you can fuse personas to create more potent ones, inheriting skills and stats. Don't forget to negotiate with shadows after a hold-up. This is your primary way to expand your persona collection and gain valuable items. Your social stats, such as knowledge, guts, and charm, are vital for unlocking new opportunities and confidant ranks. Spend time reading, working part-time jobs, or visiting specific locations to boost them. Building confidant relationships with various characters grants you invaluable perks, like improved combat abilities or access to new areas. Pay attention to their personalities and choose dialogue options that resonate to strengthen your bonds efficiently. To truly master Persona 5X, make sure to tackle Memento's requests consistently. These side missions offer valuable experience, money, and unique items, while also advancing certain character arcs. Crafting infiltration tools is also essential. Items like lockpicks and healing salves can make a huge difference in palaces. Remember to check the description for a link to some great leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals to help you stay organized and fueled for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.